Welcome to Infigyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we are going to take up another challenging question from radical equations. The given equation is x cube plus 1 over x plus 1 equal to square root 4 times x cube plus x over 3. We have to find out only real solutions. So let's get started by writing one point. This denominator x plus 1 cannot be equal to 0. From here we can write x cannot be equal to negative 1. Okay, now I will use one identity, a cube plus b cube in the numerator. So it is a plus b times a square plus b square minus ab. Let's apply this formula to our LHS numerator. So I can write LHS numerator as x plus 1 times x square minus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. Right hand side it would be square root of 4 times x cube plus x over 3. Now as x is not equal to negative 1, we can cancel these two brackets. Now it is left with x square minus x plus 1 in LHS. In RHS it is square root of 4 times x cube plus x over 3. Now to remove this square root, I will take square both sides. So let's consider squaring. So this side I will cancel square with square root. So it is left with x square minus x plus 1 whole square. And right hand side will be 4x cube plus x over 3. Let me write here x square minus x plus 1 whole square equal to 4 over 3 times x cube plus x. Now for this equation, if I will put x is equal to 0, so left hand side will be 1, right hand side will be 0. So I can write here one point, x cannot be equal to 0, which is important because I am going to take x common from this bracket and x square common from this bracket. Let's take, so it will come out as x square. In bracket I will write x minus 1 plus 1 by x after taking x common from the bracket. Now turn off RHS. I can take x square common from the bracket. So it will give us x plus 1 over x. Now you can see x is non-zero. So we can cancel x square both sides. So it is converting into one reciprocal equation, which is x plus 1 over x minus 1 whole square it is. Right hand side it is 4 over 3 x plus 1 over x. Now we can use substitution. So let us call x plus 1 over x. Suppose it is equal to u. So this equation will convert into u. U minus 1 whole square equal to 4 over 3 times u. Now let's cross multiply. So it will become 3 times u minus 1 whole square equal to 4u. So 3 times u minus 1 whole square equal to 4u. Let us apply a minus b whole square formula. So we can write u square minus 2u plus 1 in the bracket and right hand side is 4u. Let's expand. So 3u square minus 6u plus 3 equal to 4u. Take all the term to LHS. 3u square minus 6 minus 4 minus 10u plus 3 equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation. We can solve using factorization, using quadratic formula also. Let's use factorization. 3u square minus 10 I can write minus 9u minus 1u plus 3 equal to 0. From first two terms 3u is common. So in bracket it would be u minus 3. From last two terms minus 1 is common. So u minus 3 equal to 0. Overall common is u minus 3. Other factor we can write 3u minus 1 equal to 0. So final conclusion from here we can write either u minus 3 will be 0 or 3u minus 1 will be equal to 0. And keeping this thing in our mind, u was our substitution. It was x plus 1 over x. Let's solve both the equation. U minus 3 equal to 0. 3u minus 1 equal to 0. Three u minus 1 equal to 0. So I can write from here x plus 1 over x minus 3 equal to 0 for first equation, and second equation I can write 3 times x plus 1 over x minus 1 equal to 0. Let's solve the first one. Multiply with x as x is non-zero. X square, then I will write minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Second equation I can frame. Let me write in this form first. X plus 1 over x divided by 3 minus 1 by 3 equal to 0. So this equation will convert, multiply by 3x now. 3x square minus x plus 3 equal to 0. This is second quadratic equation. Let's solve both. So I will use quadratic formula this time. X is equal to minus b. So I will write 3 plus minus under the root b square. So minus 3 square is 9 minus 4ac. So minus 4 divided by 2a, so 2. So from here we are having 3 plus minus square root 5 over 2. I can split two solutions, one with plus sign, so 3 plus root 5 over 2. Another with minus sign, 3 minus root 5 over 2. And if you will check, both are positive. This is greater than 0. This is also greater than 0, as root 5 is equal to 2.236. You can write, now both are positive. Now come to this second quadratic equation. Let's check discriminant only. So discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So I can write here 1 minus 4 times 9. So it is 1 minus 36, so minus 35. So very important conclusion is coming out. Discriminant is negative. Complex solutions will come. Complex solutions. So we will reject this equation for our solution as we are calculating real values. So two solutions are there. X is equal to 3 plus root 5 over 2. 3 minus root 5 over 2. Let me write here. Now which solution we will accept? If you will see this right hand side, then important conclusion after taking x square or x common, so it will become x positive. X should be greater than 0. So both of the solutions are positive in nature. So we will accept both. Left hand side will be always positive once x is positive. So there is no constraint of discussion. Straight away we will conclude both solutions are accepted. 3 plus minus root 5 over 2 is our perfect and correct answer. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video, friends. Good luck and take care of yourself.